You can create stunning images with just one click. Midjourney. Open Google, type Discord, then search. Click on the first link. Log in. Create account with your details. Click on Continue. Here you can generate images with a single text. Type /imagine, then select prompt, then type your text. In this video you will learn examples of Midjourney prompts to get a high-quality pictures for all your needs. Midjourney prompts are given in description of this video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.